Hey guys, Richard Butler, and today I am talking hardware and I'm talking about the Edifier Neo Buds Pro. Now, I'm an AirPod Pro user, so why did I buy these? Well, keep watching and you'll find out. Hey guys, Richard Butler here, and today I'm talking about earbuds. And these are the earbuds that I'm talking about. They are from a company called Edifier, who I'd never heard of before, but apparently they've been in business for over 25 years and they have a lot of experience in audio products. And these are the earbuds. Now, these earbuds were on Indiegogo, which, if you don't know, is a crowdfunding website. And I got them for $89. So I'm an Apple user. I have the original AirPods, the AirPods Pro, and the AirPods Pro Max. So why would I go and buy a pair of these? Well, that's a really good question, and I'll tell you at the end. But I got these and I received them, and it's quite a small case. A little flip there. There's a light that sometimes comes on, looks like Kit from Knight Rider. USB-C charging, which is always great. And there is an accompanying app here which allows you to connect to the earbuds. So if I open up here, it gives me all of the information. So it tells me here that the buds are at 100%, the case is at 91, and there are different sounds here. I can have ambient sound, which is what we're used to on the AirPods Pro, that allows you to hear what's going on. I have low noise cancellation, high noise cancellation. Now, if I click on ambient sound, I can change how much sound actually comes through. I also then have a sound tuning, which can be very useful because sometimes you want to tune the sound to exactly how you want it, or I can actually customize, and I have like a graphic equalizer that I can actually use here. So the app is pretty good, but why they're here is to know, are these any good? Well, I was listening to a song with the AirPods Pro, and then I listened to it with these, and I think these have a slight edge on the sound. Now, because I can customize the sound, I think that makes a huge difference. I don't think they're as comfortable as the AirPods Pro. I think the AirPods Pro are they're smaller, they're more compact, they're more comfortable in your ear. But having said that, they're not uncomfortable. Now, when it comes to noise cancellation, it said that they had noise cancellation to minus 42 dB, I believe, or plus 42 dB, I can't remember because I'm not an audiophile. But basically, they had better noise cancellation than other headphones. I've taken them to the gym. I had them on high noise cancellation and I could still hear a person beside me talking. That didn't happen so much with the AirPods Pro. So I think it's very good, and it may be slightly better. But the AirPods Pro also did a very good job. But you have to remember, I got these for $90. And there's a link in the description if you want to pick them up. But you're talking about $90, $89 compared to $250 for the actual AirPods Pro. So immediately, if you'd never used the AirPod Pro headphones, I would say these would keep you very, very happy. Now, size-wise, they might be a little bit big in the ear. Now, one thing I got accustomed to with the AirPods was when you take them out and then you move over to another device, 80% of the time they go over to that other device. With these, if I have them connected to my iPhone and then I switch to my laptop, they don't automatically switch. Now, that's just a small thing. It's something that, I'm obviously used to with Apple, which I liked when it worked most of the time. You don't have spatial sound with these, which you do with the Apple. Honestly, I've never really used the spatial sound that much because I don't watch movies by myself or any content that has spatial sound by myself. So again, that is neither here nor there. If you're an Apple user, I do think that obviously the Apple products are better. And if you're not, well, this is a really good buy. So the big question is, why did I buy these? And why am I using these instead of the AirPod Pros that I have? Well, the answer is very simple. But I opened up the case one day and I found I only had one earphone in the case, which is very odd because normally if they do fall, what I do is I obviously pick it up and put it back into the case. So I don't know where I lost it. So I thought I could buy another headphone, replacement AirPod Pro, but that would cost me 90 euros. So I thought for $90, why not buy a new pair of headphones? And I thought, well, what I will do is I will wait until the new AirPod Pros come out, and then I'll just buy those. Yes, I am a fan of Apple. But in the meantime, these are a very good pair of headphones. I think the sound has a little bit of an edge, as I said, than the AirPod Pro. I think the design is not bad. I mean, it's not as nice as the AirPods. They wouldn't be as comfortable as the AirPods, but they are over half the price of the AirPods. So if you're looking for a new pair of headphones and you want all of the features, but not the price of the AirPod Pro, I'd go for these. I think these are a good deal. Now, if you are an Apple fan, well then you need to go for the AirPod Pro. But if you don't really care, you just want a spare pair of headphones for when you go to the gym. If they break, well, it's okay. If they get wet, it's okay. Or you're not an Apple person, well then these are a really good investment. Let me know any questions that you have, and I will talk to you in the next video. Oh, and remember to subscribe and like the channel. Talk to you very soon.